Many users are facing the issue of getting stuck in recovery mode after upgrading to iOS 18. This problem can lead to potential data loss. Fortunately, we have solutions to fix the iOS 18 recovery mode issue without losing any data. Here are two methods to resolve this. Method 1. Exit recovery mode manually. For models upgraded with iOS 18, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally, long press the power button. Release it when you see the Apple logo. Your iPhone should now be out of recovery mode. Note, to exit recovery mode manually, you must connect your iPhone to a computer with iTunes using a data cable. Method 2. Exit recovery mode with one click. Many users report that the manual method doesn't always work, and their iPhones remain stuck on the recovery mode screen. In this case, try using iPhixer, which can help you exit recovery mode with just one click. After launching iPhixer on your PC, connect your iPhone to the PC using the data cable. Select Enter Exit Recovery Mode, and then click Exit. That's it. Your iPhone exits recovery mode immediately without any data loss. The best part is that this feature of iPhixer is completely free. So what causes an iPhone to get stuck in recovery mode? Here are 3 common reasons. If you want to fix these bugs, iPhixer can also help you. Select Apple System Repair. For general problems, just choose the standard repair, which won't make you lose any data. iPhixer will automatically detect the appropriate firmware for your iPhone. Once the firmware is downloaded, you need to enter into recovery mode. You can use iPhixer to enter recovery mode with one click, or manually when prompted. Now the fix is in. After a few minutes, the problem in your iPhone is fixed successfully. iPhixer is a professional iOS system repair tool. Click the link below the video to download it for free.